What's going on, world? Guys, it's your boy Lamar Wilson. Let's get straight to the point. I'm challenging you. Yes, your boy's challenging. I'm challenging you for the next 21 days. 21 days. Take one bad habit and replace it with one great goal you want to achieve this year. Yeah, I'm challenging you. You, yes. Don't look around, I'm talking to you. I'm challenging you. 21 days. I'm with you. If you want to accept this challenge, inbox me right now, email me right now. The link is in my bio. I'm challenging you. 21 days. We're going to remove one bad habit, whether that's drinking, smoking, communicating, stonewall, personal development, whatever it is. 21 days. 21 days. I'm challenging you to break one bad habit and replace it with one great goal. I'm in it. I already got people before I even put this video, I was just talking about, and people like, yo, put me down. 21 days. We're breaking one bad habit and replacing it with one great goal and why? It's because we want to start off the fourth quarter with success. We want to pregame the fourth quarter. And how do we do that? We got to start now. We got to start now. The time is now, not tomorrow. Not, all right, let me get my last bite. Let me get that last Big Mac. Let me get that last smoke. Let me get that last drink. No. Now. And if you really want to make a change in your life, if you want to really make a change in your life, I'm challenging you. I'm challenging you to start now. Inbox me right now. Email me, text me, and tell me I'm all in. Let's go.